Hi guys, and now we're here in Las Vegas.
Fairfield.
There is Marriott. Marriott. And this here, two queen beds. Oh, and there is the view. At this view. The Las Vegas Strip. There is the we're here in Baker Boulevard now. Here is.
It's 115.
Wow. The temperature here is 115. My goodness. There is Jack in the Box.
No McDonald's there.
Yep. Arby's. Some Arby's there. And Dennis. Balero. This Balero. Gasoline station. Hi guys. And now we're here in Las Vegas. So bright.
Look at that new stadium they're building.
Yep.
I don't remember that last time. Yep.
Hey, we back now in Las Vegas.
We're almost at the hotel.
Where is the hotel, RJ?
It's over there.
Wow, look at that stadium there.
Gotta take the back way in.
So big.
And Marriott. That's the one we're going.
So
Oh, no.
bright the
What?
sun, RJ.
That's it.
That's the one I think.
Oh, Holiday Inn Express that one.
Like it? He's asking like it. Oh,
Anything.
there it is. Coming the back way.
Anything.
What road is this? There could be two Fairfield in there.
There is Marriott. Marriott. Here he is, RJ.
I couldn't see the sign though to see if this is the right one. There's two of them, isn't there?
Oh no, maybe it's not this. The right one, RJ.
No, we're at the wrong one.
Huh?
We might be at the wrong one.
What if it's the right one?
That we're here. No street sign here?
There is Fairfield Inn
Okay,
and
we'll go there.
courtyard.
Alright, let's go in.
Okay.
I want to come.
What's
Okay,
that
get
in
your
there?
shoes on now.
There is. There's the neighbor hotel. Hey, go, RJ. RJ, go. Ay, not. Scared of the bug. No. That grasshopper, RJ. Is corner. Have no people here. No people. Here is. Here is breakfast. Where's the breakfast, RJ?
6:30 till 9.
Yeah,
So
okay,
we gotta get down here at 8.
Yeah. That's up there. There is
We got 90 bucks.
90 bucks. Uh-oh. Here's the elevator. What floor, honey?
50 bucks more. Total.
Oh,
307.
300?
Oh, 7. And we had two 307s in a row.
Yeah.
306.
06. Oh, 306 the number.
306 on J.
The fourth floor?
No, third, 3.
Oh.
The numbers always start with the
Yeah.
floor.
Okay, here you go.
They're sold out tonight.
Wow. Sold by Jay.
On this side. 306. You're still cleaning room. Good.
There is 306. There is RJ open. Open. And here is. I want to give you a tour, guys. Let's look like the room here.
See.
Small hallway.
Oh,
Yes.
strip view.
Whoa, I'd have here. And this here, two queen beds. There is.
This is our second Tanya.
There is the.
There's a thermostat falling off the wall. Look, it's crooked.
Uh-oh. Here's the refrigerator, a mini refrigerator here. There it is.
Gotta check this place.
And then there is the microwave.
How do you open
And have coffee here if you want. Drink coffee. And there is the TV. And there's the nightstand.
Guys,
Night table, there is.
hey guys.
What?
Turn the
You not know how to open? There is. There.
This is safe.
And there is the stand.
It's golden. Bag of
The
gold.
safe, RJ.
No bag
Safe
of gold?
box.
Oh, take this out.
And that is. Oh,
Ooh,
be
yeah.
careful, RJ.
Good. Let me
For
take
the
it out.
suitcase.
Okay, do not use that at all. Okay?
Put it
Yeah.
there.
No buttons.
And that is the
No buttons? Don't put-
iron hanger.
How's the
And
bathroom
there.
look?
And the shelf there in the top.
Bathroom okay?
Okay. And there is.
Yeah, sleep on this side.
Yep. No, not yet done, honey. And there's the drawer. Here is drawer. Here is. And there is drawer.
Oh, I have to
Here's the desk. There is.
know what? That will make more fun.
It's a smaller bed. You can't fit.
And there is.
Just save the money.
There
Turn
is.
it on, Ron. Oh, we got a microwave this one.
Oh, and there is the view. Look at this view. The Las Vegas Strip. There is there a big building there. See the parking, honey, here, honey. The car, honey, parked there, honey. Here is the
What's that new building?
three.
Is that a
I not
stadium?
know, maybe that. Here is the two queen beds.
And the refined Sonoma Cellar Steakhouse. Or visit Boulder Station for some great steaks and seafood.
Okay, guys, here is the
Oh, look. Wow.
here's the bathroom here. I want to show you what's look like in here. There is. Here's the bathroom. Here's the bathtub. And there is the shower. Here's the what's this, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That's the new now. It's not before, it's small. And here is have here the toilet and have some towels there, and here the toilet paper, and here is the mirror and the sink And there is, oh, have this little, what's this? Body lotion. And have two facial bar. There is butt bar. And up there. And there. Hi guys, I'm here. Okay guys, that's it for tour. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, see you next time. Bye-bye!